Once you have your measurements of the length of your track, you need to mark your track here and get ready for cutting. Today we're going to use a chop saw, but you can also use a circular saw, a saber saw, a sawzall, a hacksaw. It doesn't really matter. This is the easiest way though, and if you can do it this way, that would be great. What we've done is we've made our mark on here, and we know that our fence is square. If you use a circular saw, go ahead and use a carpenter square and line it up, and that way you'll know that your cut is nice and square. Don't forget to use safety glasses and hearing protection.